What's up, y'all? This is Sunko, the Korean bro. Today is 2023, May 24th. And let's look at stock articles, okay? One super stock that could join Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Alphabet in that $1 trillion club. Former OpenAI executive secure $450 million funding for Google, backed AI venture, Anthropic should Microsoft be worried? Why Airbnb investors should brace for worse financial results this year? The CTF is a good buy if you believe in the future of artificial intelligence. Hmm. Okay. Hmm. Rivian just gave investors a warning prediction. Okay, let's see. One super stock that could join Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and Alphabet in the $1 trillion club. Here's where Uber stands today. About to enter a new multi-trillion dollar industry. Hmm. Mobility, food delivery, and commercial freight serves more than 130 million customers on its platform each month. In the first quarter of 2023 alone, they booked a whopping 2.1 billion trips across mobility and food delivery. Uber is the undisputed global leader in ride sharing, which is the largest driver of the company's revenue. And now it's using that expertise to build the world's largest logistics network as well, through its Uber Freight platform. It's having some early success with over $70 million in freight under management from 200,000 customers so far. That's a drop in the bucket compared to its opportunity, though, which totals $884 billion in the US trucking sector alone. Hmm. Where will Procter and Gamble stock be in 3 years? Earnings pressures on the consumer staples giant are starting to ease. Okay, Procter and Gamble, the start of a pullback. Hmm. Profit, power, cash flow, and value. Hmm. Walt Disney, SiriusXM, General Motors. Hmm. Will be one of the top five largest companies by 2030. And AI. Why AI is such an opportunity for Tesla? Let's look at this in depth, okay? So strong is Tesla's AI that Wood regards it as a technology company. Tesla has long held the attention of Kathy Wood and her team after Invest becoming its largest position. Many likely assume that its lead in the electric vehicle market or its battery advancements may drive that interest. Although those factors play into Arc's decision to hold the stock, Tesla has also driven its interest with artificial intelligence advancements. Despite Elon Musk's calls for a temporary moratorium on AI development, Tesla has become a major player in the AI field. That edge could make it one of the world's largest companies. Here's how. Tesla and AI. Immediately, almost every tech company and many non-tech companies have prompted AI capabilities, and Tesla is no exception. Within the AI field, it has developed AI applications for performing repetitive tasks and modeling the real world. However, the AI stock's most meaningful AI-related breakthrough does not involve routine activities. A recent interview with Fox Business Wood called Tesla one of the most profound AI companies out there. She labeled it as a technology company, arguing the major AI-driven opportunity for Tesla is autonomous taxi platforms. To this end, Tesla has developed the chips, neural networks, code, and evaluation infrastructure to make self-driving cars a reality. For this reason, Wood described this autonomous taxi platform as the biggest opportunity in AI over the next 5 to 10 years. Autonomous taxi platforms as the biggest opportunity in AI over the next 5 to 10 years. Why AI is such an opportunity for Tesla? Specifically, Wood believes these platforms will change the game for Tesla stock. As conditions stand now, Tesla climbed a 19% gross margin the first quarter of 2023, and a gross margin averaging 26% in 2022. It comes mostly from cars, and Wood believes these margins will rise. Nonetheless, the autonomous taxi platform is a software as a service platform. Wood believes that Tesla will lead the industry while earning 80% gross margin in that part of the business. Such growth should lead to increased profits, taking the stock much higher over time. Moreover, if Tesla achieved this, it could become one of the top 5 largest companies. As conditions stand now, Tesla's market cap already exceeds $570 billion, making it the 9th largest company in terms of market cap. In today's market, its market cap would have to exceed $1.2 trillion to become a top 5 company. However, if autonomous taxis achieve 80% gross margin, Tesla will probably experience a huge increase in profitability. Wood's team predicts that Tesla will rise to an expanded price of $2,000 per share in 2027. If she's right, Tesla will reach a market cap of more than $6 trillion, a level that would make it the world's largest company in today's market. Tesla's prospects for reaching the top 5. Wood and her team at Out Invest make a compelling case for Tesla to become the world's largest company based on AI. Admittedly, autonomous driving still has to prove itself as a viable concept. Should it fail, Wood's estimate $2,000 per share price target could be out of reach. Nonetheless, Tesla continues to seek AI-driven breakthroughs on multiple fronts, some of which could fundamentally change the company for the better. If Tesla's autonomous taxi platform succeeds in the marketplace, expect the stock and the market cap to surge to record-breaking levels. One artificial intelligence growth stock, big short investor Michael Burry is buying hand over fist. Hedge fund manager Michael Burry has easily outperformed the market over the last 3 years. Michael Burry. Michael Burry is buying hand over fist. Zoom, okay. Zoom aims to simplify corporate communications. The silver lining to lackluster first quarter results. Long runway for growth. Okay, let's see. One unlikely reason why Nvidia's magnificent rally could become unstoppable. An oversupply of graphics cards owing to a weak PC market has negatively impacted Nvidia's revenue and earnings. The good news is that the gaming business may have already hit bottom, and a turnaround could arrive soon. There is massive long-term opportunity in the gaming business that could supercharge Nvidia stock. Oversupply of graphics cards owing to a weak PC market. Shares of Nvidia have been red hot on the stock market in 2023, logging gains of 110% already thanks to the massive hype around artificial intelligence applications. It is worth noting that Nvidia's terrific gains have come even as the company has been witnessing a steep decline in its revenue and earnings owing to the oversupply of graphic cards used in the personal computer market. Investors have been betting big on AI to help Nvidia overcome the gaming market's weakness. And it wouldn't be surprised to see the company deliver on that front. After all, Nvidia is the dominant player in the enterprise GPU market, and its AI-focused cards are reportedly being sold for tens of thousands of dollars. But at the same time, there may be another catalyst in the cards for Nvidia that could help the stock rise further. Let's check it out. Nvidia is struggling in the gaming business, but there are signs of turnaround. Okay, gaming is one of Nvidia's key businesses. The segment produced $9 billion in revenue in fiscal 2023, which was a third of the company's top line. However, weak demand for PCs led to a sharp decline in sales of Nvidia's gaming graphic cards, which explains a 27% decline in the segment's revenue last fiscal year. But a closer look at Nvidia's gaming business suggests that it may have hit bottom already. Okay, the semiconductor giant witnessed a 16% quarter over quarter jump in gaming revenue in the fourth quarter of fiscal 2023 to $1.83 billion. Nvidia attributed this growth to the healthy demand for its 40 series RTX graphics cards based on the Loveless architecture, which were launched in October last year. It is worth noting that the RTX 40 cards that Nvidia launched last year were on the expensive side, with the RTX 480 starting at $899. Gaming could drive robust revenue growth in the long run. However, investors looking to buy Nvidia stock right now will have to pay a whopping 180 times trailing earnings. While that's expensive, the forward earnings multiple of 69 suggests that terrific earnings growth is in the cards. Analysts are anticipating Nvidia to deliver annual earnings growth of 21% for the next 5 years, but the sunny prospects of its two largest business, gaming and data center, could help it clock faster growth, remain a top growth stock in the long run. Palantir stock. Okay, let's look at Palantir. Okay. Okay, Palantir. Palantir is lining up new customers at a rapid clip. The data mining company recently crossed the profitability threshold. AI should fuel Palantir's growth. The analytics specialist sees a staggering opportunity for its new artificial intelligence platform. It's off to a tour start in 2023. The popular artificial intelligence stock is already trading up more than 80% since the start of the year. And yet, plenty more gains could lie ahead for those interested in the stock. Here are three reasons why Palantir is a smart buy. Enjoying broad-based growth. Businesses are flocking to the data analytics specialist platform. Palantir's customer base surged 41% year over year in the first quarter. That included 50% jump in U.S. commercial customers to 155. Palantir's quarter first revenue in turn rose by 18% year over year to $525 million. The gains were wide ranging. Commercial sales expanded by 15% to $236 million, while government revenue increased by 20% to $289 million. We continued to see robust pilot starts and promising convergence, and we're also beginning to see the realization of our expansion strategy, meaning we're beginning to see meaningful growth and observe opportunities with our newer customer base. Chief Business Affairs and Legal Officer Ryan Taylor said during the company's first quarter earnings call. Taylor highlighted Palantir's work with BP, which helped the British oil giant slash its production cost by roughly 60%. He also noted that Palantir is enabling car rental leader Hertz to operate its 500,000 vehicle strong fleet more efficiently. CEO Alice Carr explained why more companies and government agencies were turning to Palantir for their data and analysis needs, saying they want to know, can you provide resources? They want to know, can you provide resources? A product we need tomorrow purely on a financial basis. But more importantly to us and to them long term is, can you help us disrupt our adversaries? Why more companies and government agencies were turning to Palantir for their data analysis needs, saying they want to know, can you provide resources, the product we need tomorrow, purely on a financial basis? But more importantly to us and to them long term is, can you help us disrupt our adversaries? Management sees unsustained profitability ahead. AI is a massive opportunity for Palantir. Palantir generated an operating profit for the first time in the first quarter. Its operating income checked in at $4 million based on generally accepted accounting principles and $125 million when excluding stock-based compensation. The company also produced $187 million in operating cash flow. Better still, Palantir expects to remain profitable in the coming quarters. Management's guidance calls for full-year adjusted operating profits of $506 million to $556 million in 2023. Okay, let's look at stock chart pound here. Mhm. Soaring demand for AI-powered solutions will be a key to Palantir's growth. The arrival of the latest large language models, which have provided the world with the first real hints of more generalizable forms of artificial intelligence, will transform enterprise software, Corp said in a letter to its shareholders. The arrival of the latest large language models, which have provided the world with the first real hints of more generalizable forms of artificial intelligence, will transform enterprise software. Most of large language models, such as those that power ChatGPT, as well as other advanced machine learning technologies, Corp said hundreds of businesses express interest in its soon to be launched AI offering. The depth of engagement with and demand for our new artificial intelligence platform is without precedent. Was profuse in his praise of the latest advancements in AI and their potential impact. In the last 20 years, there's never been a development like this. You have a technology that will allow you to outproduce, change the margin of your company, understand your business, react on the battlefield quicker, predict things on the battlefield in a way, collapse your enterprise so that the top and the bottom actually work together, preempt attacks, create software that is so obviously dominant that adversaries quiver and scurry away instead of attacking us or our allies, he said. It has now become increasingly apparent that a platform that combines the capabilities of foundational software architecture with those of the latest large language model is essential in order for the models to evolve into some transformational value for large organizations. Corruption and what we are building will become that platform. Mm. Let's look at more of articles about Pound here. Why Kathy was helping Pounder stocks working today. Its Kathy Wood AI stock will be a top art invest holding by 2028. Pounder holdings for its exchange traded funds yesterday. Pounder and Kathy Wood ETFs are both seeing strong returns this year. Shares of Pounder are posting strong gains again to today's daily trading session. The data analytics software company share price was up 7.3% as of 1:45 p.m. according to data from S&P Global Market Intelligence. Meanwhile, the S&P 500 index was down roughly 0.6%, and even more growth having Nasdaq Composite Index was down roughly 0.8%. ARK Invest, which is led by CEO Kathy Wood, published updates on its website yesterday, revealing that it had once again increased its holdings in Pounder stock in its exchange-traded funds after an extremely turbulent stretch of trading last year. The types of growth stocks favored by Wood have seen some strong rebound momentum this year. The trend has increased the market's interest in investment moves made by her company. Despite growth stocks generally facing selling pressures on Tuesday, Palantir is recording another day of big share price gains. The stock has been enjoying a strong rally following its better than expected first quarter results and some signs of mounting institutional support. The latest endorsement from Kathy Wood appears to be playing a driving role in today's momentum. So, Kathy Wood ETF ARK Investment also has a lot of shares of Palantir stock. ARK Invest return to Palantir confirms the level of AI strength that could make it a top holding by 2028. Although it holds a relatively small position today, ARK Invest has previously owned much larger amounts of Palantir stock shares, a possible indication it may do so again. Moreover, no other company has built a product that competes with Palantir. With the company bolstering its AI with an additional module, it could inspire ARK Invest to make Palantir stock a leading ARK Invest position as more enterprises turn to its platforms. Okay, so what is Palantir? Hmm. Huh. Okay, I'll have to look into what Palantir is. And meanwhile, okay, that's about it for today. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, I'll have to watch the video clip about Palantir. Okay, see you and bye bye. Okay, bye bye.